Jimmy did a thing where he got a bunch of people in the warehouse to test chocolates against his, and he said that everyone picked the Mr. Beast chocolate. So this is the new Beast formula, because let's be honest, we both had the last Beast bar. It fucking sucked.
One of these is the new Mr. Beast Feastables formula. The rest are other popular chocolates from Europe, Australia, around. I shaved off all identifiable features, so these are random pieces of chocolate.
This is gonna be interesting if we have to eat our words and say Jimmy Beast is a legend. Okay. I think I have my answer, I think. Just say which one you think is the best.
I liked D the best.
Same.